Visiting Floriade 2022 is an enlightening and educational trip from Amsterdam. Going with a plan is a must due to the physical size of Floriade and the number of exhibits. In this video, I'm going to explain the best ways to get to Floriade, as well as my suggestions for touring the expo, language issues, meal options, and using the cable cars. For more explanation on the country exhibits and my must-see exhibits, click on the videos at the end of this video. Okay, now let's get you to Floriade Expo 2022. The best way to get to Floriade is via the train from Amsterdam Central. You can purchase a day ticket from the station itself. Then you take one of two trains. One train is a direct train to Almere Center, and another is a sprinter train that stops at multiple locations. Either way is fine as long as you make sure you get off at Almere Center. Once you exit the turnstiles at Almere Center, you have two options to get to Floriade. The first is to walk about 10 minutes to the boat ramp, then take an electric boat across the lake. That takes about 15 to 20 minutes. I suggest as a better option is to take the shuttle bus. When you walk out the turnstiles, you'll see an arrow pointing down. You're actually meant to take a hard right and walk into the bus area. The shuttle bus for Floriade is the very far side of the bus area. Just keep walking till you get to the very end of it. There'll be a little sign on a light pole that says Floriade Shuttle. The shuttle bus will drop you off down the hill from the entrance. Just walk toward the flags. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Floriade is broken down to 5 separate areas: the Urban District, Hortus Avenue, Eco District, Utopia Island, and Green Island. The Eco District is basically a parking lot. Hortus Avenue is mainly administration and special event buildings, with the exception of the main stage. To see as much as possible during your visit to Floriade, I suggest you begin in the Urban District. This is where all the country exhibits are located. Once you've seen those, go across the bridge to Green Island. This is where all of the volunteer and corporate exhibits are. The third location to go to is Utopia Island. This is where you find the children's garden, and this is also where you catch the cable cars so you can ride across all of Floriade. If time permits, catch one of the daily performances on the main stage, or explore the exhibits about food in the greenhouse. Finally, don't forget to pick up some souvenirs. We found that multiple exhibits only had their plaques done in Dutch. I found this disappointing when many of the exhibits looked rather interesting, but I had no way to understand them. For food, you have multiple options. Floriade has many restaurants on property, but we found the portions small and the prices outrageous. Germany has its own restaurant, which we found quite good, but the sitting area is small and the service is like a normal restaurant, just a little bit slower. My suggestion for how to eat while you're at Floriade is to pick up food at Amsterdam Center at one of the many grocery stores. Then we enjoyed our picnic at the Street Eats area while enjoying a performance on the urban stage. There are permanent food trucks at the Street Eats area serving traditional street foods such as sautés and fries if you want to enhance your picnic. You'll find some more specific details about Floriade down in the description box. Just click the little arrow next to the title to find it. The cable cars are a great way to get a complete view of Floriade. Here's the problem and my two solutions. If you ride the cable cars from Utopia Island to Eco District, you end up basically in a parking lot. Then you have two options to get back to the expo. The first is you walk up a steep set of stairs, then you walk a sidewalk all the way across the highway, then another sidewalk which goes a ways till you actually end up back in the expo. The other option is that you purchase a second ticket to ride the cable car back from Eco District to the Utopia Island, but you have to do that when you are at the entrance. Now, I'm not telling you not to ride the cable cars because I found it fun. Just realize you have to do a little planning if you're going to ride back, purchase your tickets when you arrive, or expect to have to walk a good ways to get back. I hope you found this video helpful. Click on one of these other two videos to get a more in-depth view of the country exhibits at Floriade Expo or to the volunteer and corporate exhibits at Floriade Expo. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.